Keras, obtain array of images and labels from flow_from_ directory. I'm trying to obtain a confusion matrix using scikit after training my model, but since I used flow_from_ directory, I don't have access to the data and labels, or I don't know a way to do so. Since scikit confusion matrix method is used like and flow_from_ directory doesn't return the true labels. Is there a way to obtain them from flow_from_ directory directly, or any other method?
For any generator, you can yield data as with any iterable. Be careful to decide when to stop. Generators for training in Keras are infinite.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.